Hello, beautiful people, smart investors all over the world. This is Emmanuel, your real estate consultant. Always bring you the best in real estate investment. So today we want to give you the good news concerning a treasure Hilltop Estate Alagbado. First, work has fully resumed now at the phase 1 extension. Some of you have been paying, but before the work was suspended because of the estate layout and some of the building plan approval. There was issue with the layout, so we could not approve your building plan. But thank God, now those issue has been solved. We are back to site fully. That is one. Second is the first set of survey is out to some of our clients who subscribe first, especially this phase 1. People who subscribe here pay for everything for more than a year ago. Their survey is out. But for the past, because of the layout, there was challenge having the survey and the rest of the document. But now the survey is out. So if you subscribe here, get in touch to know if you are among the first set of survey, because we have about 1.7 million people outstanding survey. So it's not going to come out once, it will be coming out in batches. But for you to know if you are among, especially people that subscribe here, almost all of them, so get in touch to know more. Second is we're still selling fast. The duplex now with a big queue, Carcass, this sell for 35 million naira. Then the bungalow, 3-bedroom bungalow, Carcass, this goes for 20 million. The 2-bedroom is no more, we are no more selling 2-bedroom. But people who subscribe when the company was selling, they are going to build for them what we are building at the extension. So but people coming in, we are no more selling 2-bedroom, just 3-bedroom duplex and 3-bedroom bungalow. So another thing is, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, you should do so, because I always bring you the best, the latest in town, and the best of the real estate market. So get in touch, subscribe. Don't just subscribe, like and share this video, because when you like or you comment, the algorithm will make more people to have access to this video, or many people to see this video. So sit down, relax. I will take you around on the ongoing work. What the work has resumed on the extension, so that you see what we have now. Now on, I'll be giving you update every week, especially some of you are paying installment. We still paying doing installment plan. House, if you are going for a house, whether you are going for 3-bedroom bungalow or duplex, you have 12 good months to pay. The bungalow, you start with initial deposit of 2.5, then spread the remaining balance for 1 year. Pay at conveniently for 1 year. Then the duplex, you start with initial deposit of 5 million, then spread the remaining balance for 1 year, interest free. Land goes for 10 million naira. You start with 1.5 or more, then spread the remaining balance for 6 months, interest free. Other payments, survey here goes for 250,000, documentation 250,000, then developer fee, money for all the amenities inside the estate, that goes for 1.5. So whether you are buying house, duplex or bungalow, you have to pay all those charges, documentation, developer fee. If you are buying land, those charges are included. Those charges after the principal money, those charges are included. So get in touch, take advantage now that we are still running Christmas and New Year promo. If you buy anything, you subscribe now, you have a gift, a free gift for you to celebrate, just to encourage our clients that are being with us right from time, and the newest client, just to encourage them. So get in touch. We're always open for questions, suggestions, anything you feel about. Get in touch. I'll give you every information you feel we should give to you, or if you subscribe to any of the person that is not giving you the right information, get in touch. So bye, sit down and relax, watch the video to the end, like and subscribe this YouTube channel. Please help us subscribe. We want to get more subscribers so that our video will be reaching more people who want to take advantage, who want to invest in this kind of opportunities. So bye for now. Serioso.